What's going on, y'all? I just got to a customer house and seen the spring was broken, so we're gonna go ahead and change it out. This garage door has one spring, so I don't have to worry about the tension, so make my job a lot easier. For all my DIYs, I'm gonna leave the tools in the description. The first thing I'm gonna do is loosen the screws on the springs and the drums using a ratchet and a 7/16 socket, but if you prefer to use a wrench, use a 3/8, it'll work better than a 7/16. The spring is connected to a center bearing plate using two 9/16 bolts. So we're gonna go ahead and take them off, slide the pole back, take the drum off, slide the spring off, put the new one back on, slide it all the way over, put the drum back on, put the pole through the end bearing plate, and go ahead and screw these 9/16 bolts back on the spring, tighten that up. Now we ready to go ahead and get these cables going. So we're gonna slide the cable in the drum toward the back. Go ahead and tighten the drum up. Get the vice grips, pull the drum down real good. Tighten the vice grip to the wall. Check this cable, make sure it's tight. Do the same thing on the other side. So if we're gonna pull the drum down, ratchet those screws real tight. Now it's time to wind the spring. It's a 7-foot door, so you're gonna take 7, multiply it times 4, do a +1, so that's gonna make it 29. So we're gonna do 29 quarter turns. That's from hole to hole. And we're gonna tighten that on down. Go ahead and test it. Yeah, that feels good. Then we're gonna lift the door up, make sure it's balanced, and this job is done.